Lecture No. 03. Significance of Pakistan. Subject: Pakistan Studies. B.S. Zoology. First semester. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian, MLISC. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur. Contents. 1. Historical background of Pakistan. 2. Economy and development. 3. Social and cultural aspects. 4. Pakistan's foreign relations. 5. Challenges and opportunities. 6. The future of Pakistan. 7. Reference. Lecture No. 03. Significance of Pakistan. Subject: Pakistan Studies. B.S. Zoology. First semester. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian, MLISC. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur. Part 1. Historical background of Pakistan. Formation of Pakistan. Partition of British India. Culmination of the independence movement led to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. Establishment of a new nation. Pakistan emerged as an independent state after the partition of the Indian subcontinent. Challenges of nation building. The new nation faced significant political, economic, and social challenges in its formative years. Role in world politics. Pivotal geopolitical position. Strategically located between South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. Influence on regional dynamics. Played a crucial role in shaping regional alliances and power dynamics. Global diplomatic engagement. Actively engaged in international diplomacy and peacekeeping efforts. Geopolitical importance. Strategic location. Positioned at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. Regional connectivity. Serves as a gateway for trade and transportation between regions. Natural resources. Abundant natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals. Part 02. Economy and development. 1. Economic growth. Sustained GDP growth. Steady increase in GDP over the past decade. Industrialization and urbanization. Expansion of manufacturing and service sectors. Foreign investment inflows. Improved business climate attracting global capital. 2. Natural resources. Abundant mineral deposits. Pakistan is rich in diverse mineral resources, including coal, copper, gold, and gemstones. Fertile agricultural land. Pakistan's vast agricultural lands support a thriving farming industry and food production. Two. Natural resources. Abundant mineral deposits. Pakistan is rich in diverse mineral resources, including coal, copper, gold, and gemstones. Fertile agricultural land. Pakistan's vast agricultural lands support a thriving farming industry and food production. Renewable energy potential. Pakistan has significant potential for renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. 3. Infrastructure development. Improved transportation. Investments in roads, railways, and airports to enhance connectivity. Expanded energy supply. Initiatives to increase power generation and distribution capacity. Technological advancements. Upgrades to telecommunications and digital infrastructure. Part 3. Social and cultural aspects. 1. Diversity and multiculturalism. Ethnic mosaic. Pakistan's diverse ethnic groups contribute to its rich cultural tapestry. Linguistic richness. Over 70 languages spoken, reflecting the nation's linguistic diversity. Religious harmony. Coexistence of major religions, promoting interfaith understanding and tolerance. 2. Education and literacy. Robust education system. Extensive network of public and private schools, colleges, and universities. High literacy rates. Steady improvement in literacy levels over the past decades. Emphasis on female education. Initiatives to promote girls' access to quality education. 3. Contribution to global culture. 1. Rich heritage. Pakistan's diverse cultural heritage has influenced global art, music, and cuisine. 2. Vibrant traditions. Centuries-old traditions, such as Sufi music and truck art, have captivated the world. 3. Influential personalities. Pakistani intellectuals, artists, and athletes have made significant contributions to the global stage. Part 4. Pakistan's foreign relations. Part 4. Pakistan's foreign relations. 1. Strategic alliances. Strengthening ties. Fostering diplomatic and economic partnerships with key global players. Mutual cooperation. Collaborating on regional security, trade, and development initiatives. Geopolitical influence. Leveraging strategic location to enhance Pakistan's regional and global standing. 2. Diplomatic initiatives. 1. Strengthening bilateral ties. Fostering strategic partnerships with key nations. 2. Multilateral engagement. Actively participating in international organizations. 3. Conflict resolution. Mediating disputes and promoting regional stability. 3. Regional cooperation. Strengthening ties. Fostering economic and diplomatic partnerships with neighboring countries. Multilateral engagement. Participating in regional organizations to address shared challenges. Conflict resolution. Promoting dialogue and mediation to resolve regional disputes. Part 5. Challenges and opportunities. 1. Political stability. Strengthening democratic institutions. Fostering transparent governance and rule of law. Conflict resolution. Addressing regional tensions through diplomatic efforts. Economic reforms. Implementing policies to attract foreign investment. 2. Terrorism and security. Combating extremism. Implementing robust counter-terrorism strategies. Strengthening border security. Enhancing surveillance and intelligence sharing. Promoting stability and peace. Addressing socio-economic factors driving radicalization. 3. Environmental sustainability. Sustainable resource management. Efficient utilization of natural resources to meet current and future needs. Climate change mitigation. Implementing policies and technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy adoption. Transitioning to clean, renewable energy sources to power the nation. Part 6. The future of Pakistan. 1. Technological advancements. Expanding digital infrastructure. Improving internet access and 5G rollout across Pakistan. Fostering innovation. Nurturing a thriving startup ecosystem and tech hubs. Embracing automation. Leveraging AI and robotics to drive industrial growth. 2. Sustainable development. Diversifying economy. Transitioning from reliance on agriculture and textiles to high-tech industries and services. Investing in education. Improving access to quality education to develop a skilled workforce. Promoting renewable energy. Increasing investment in solar, wind, and hydropower to meet energy demand sustainably. 3. Global influence. Emerging economic power. Pakistan's growing economic potential and strategic location. Geopolitical significance. Pakistan's pivotal role in regional stability and security. Technological advancements. Pakistan's progress in fields like IT, renewable energy, and infrastructure. Reference. Recommended books. Source/author. Pakistan, The Formative Phase 1857198 by Khalid B. Saeed. The Idea of Pakistan by Stephen P. Cohen. Pakistan, Origins, Identity, and Future by Pervez Hoodpoi. The China-Pakistan Axis, Asia's New Geopolitics by Andrew Small. Lecture No. 03. Significance of Pakistan. Thank you. Subject, Pakistan Studies. B.S. Zoology. First semester. Lubna Mehboob. Librarian, MLISC. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I